we divide 162 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 2 and it is 12. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 2. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 162 divided by 5 is 32 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.